Good afternoon. This is my practice screencast, and in it I'm going to show you, this is Blair Henson, by the way. I'm going to show you a bit about the arts portion of the Guyman Public Library and Arts Center, and I have a few pictures. The Guyman Public Library was opened about 4 years ago. We had a smaller one downtown that was used to be an old post office. So we were really excited to be moved into this huge facility with very versatile space that allows us to do different things, such as media arts and performance arts and just about any kind of arts that you could think of. And my first picture here is something that we did with the teens, and it was a crafty type thing that they used pine cones and various other types of media to make these little animals. And this is not showing up. I don't know why. Let's see if I can try that again. There it is. And you see we made some little Christmas trees and a couple of owls, which are my personal favorite, and the reindeer. We also have these huge panels that we can hang art on. You can see we have the little hangers there, and we've showcased local art. Let me show you some of the teens did some art on these as well, where they used puzzle pieces to show things that they were thankful for. They wrote words on them, put pictures on them, and we had that up for the month of November. We also have various places in the library. That Arts 1 there was done in our classroom where we do a lot of our messier art projects. But we also have what's called the Safe Room. It's a tornado shelter and also a meeting room. You can see our Texas County Democrats were set up there this last weekend. We've displayed art in here. During the spring, I'm hoping to bring in a barbershop group who's going to do a little preview of their concert coming up in May, I believe it is. And then we've also had local theater groups who've come in and done little previews of the plays that they're going to be performing in the community theater. And then lastly, we tend to use any space we can find in the library to put up art items, use things the kids have done and adults have done. And this is called Nyan Cat. If you look on the internet and search for Nyan, N-Y-A-N, cat, it is this video that plays music, and you see how long you can stand to watch it, and you can record like how many minutes you've watched this. And so the teens used Post-it notes to create this mural of the Nyan Cat on the cafe doors of our library, and I just thought that was just the coolest thing because it's so geeky and it's so nerdy. It's just wonderful. But that's just kind of an overview of the arts that we do here at the Guyman Public Library and Arts Center. I hope you enjoyed this screencast, and I will see you in class.